Understanding Mixing Ratio, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll be exploring the phrase, mixing ratio. This term is often used in various fields, including cooking, chemistry, and even weather forecasting. Understanding this phrase can help you in both everyday conversations and specific professional contexts. So, let's dive in. The mixing ratio is a term that refers to the proportion of different substances combined in a mixture. It's important to note that this ratio can be expressed in different ways, through percentages, parts per unit, or even in a descriptive manner. For instance, a recipe might call for a 1:2 mixing ratio of sugar to flour, meaning for every part of sugar, you use 2 parts of flour. To better understand the concept, let's look at some practical examples. In cooking, a cake recipe requires a certain mixing ratio of ingredients to ensure it rises properly and tastes great. In chemistry, pharmacists use precise mixing ratios when compounding medicines. In weather science, meteorologists refer to the mixing ratio when discussing the amount of moisture in the air. It's easy to confuse mixing ratio with similar terms like concentration or composition. While they are related, the mixing ratio specifically refers to the relative amounts of components in a mixture, not their absolute quantities. Remember, it's all about the relationship between the parts, not just the parts themselves. And that's a wrap on mixing ratio. I hope this video has shed light on this useful phrase and its applications in different contexts. Remember, understanding these terms not only enhances your English skills but also broadens your knowledge in various subjects. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next lesson.